Okay, well, the plumbing is done, but invariably when you do plumbing you end up having to move everything about, and I had one of the disasters I expected, which was one of the floorboards needs replacing. So I'm going to have a little scratch around, a little tidy up, and then I'm going to find a floorboard, because I don't see any joy in buying a floorboard if I've got one. Now, one of the other problems, one of the reasons you end up making floorboards, the house that I'm working on was built in around about 1890, and it was built to a standard for ordinary working folk. That's to say, it was built cheaply, and the floorboards that it had in it are a different size to anything that is now on the market. They're very thin, actually quite flimsy. Now that gives me a problem, because I cannot buy timber of the size I need. You know, it's just not made in that thickness and that width and that length. So I'm in the business of finding a piece of timber and cutting it down, which going to involve a bit of minor mountaineering. But there we are, got to be done. And there's raw material for making a floorboard. Now, this is a piece of mahogany. You know where it came from. Those of you that don't know, it came out of a fishing trawler that I sunk. So the trick now is to cut to length, cut to width, and then start thicknessing. I'm going to cheat with the thicknessing. I'm not going to thickness the whole board, I'm just going to thickness where it goes over the rafters and make a floorboard which will be far superior to any of the floorboards in that room